friends, welcome back to Anu's Kitchen. Now it's summer, we feel like having variety of juices. Since it's a season of mangoes, today I would like to show how to prepare mango milkshake, which involves a very simple procedure. Now let's move on to the recipe. I have taken 2 mangoes, 1 glass of cold milk, 1 cup of sugar, and I have grated some badam and cashew nuts. Now we have to peel off the skin of the mangoes and I have cut it to pieces. Now let's begin the recipe. You have to take a mixie jar and then add the mango pieces. To this we have to add the cold milk. This milk is already boiled. And add 1 cup of sugar and grind it well. Now the chilli mango milkshake is ready. We can transfer it to a glass. To this we have to add the grated cashew nuts and the badam powder. Milkshake is ready. Even the beginners can try this. Please do try this at home and give your feedback in the comment box. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.